Good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of the Keys to Crypto, a night edition. But one of the things that I've been asked, and it's a really good question, is what do you think keys to crypto with, the wars, the inflation, the recession, how is this going to affect the crypto market? Well, the thing is, no one truly knows. I mean, it's just like the stock market and anything else, but no one really truly knows. But what I can tell you, and this is based off past recessions, inflation, wars, whatever, people typically move their money into what they call safer assets. They get it out of the dollar or whatever, and they move it into the stock market or the bond market or CDs or real estate. But they also now they move it into crypto because it's a safer haven, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is. But to answer the question in fully, usually in times like inflation, recession, or whatever, these assets like stocks or especially certain stocks and cryptos, they tend to do really well. And the reason why is crypto is more involved in, it's a digital currency, but it falls along the lines of tech. And because it's tech, usually during inflation and recession, tech stocks do really, really well. So to get down to what I call the fine point of it is people get worried about something, but I really honestly think that if it's going to affect it in any way, it's going to increase it. It's going to supercharge it, not cause it to go down any. Now, again, there's always going to be fearful investors and people who panic sell. I've talked about this, and there's people who FOMO buy, meaning when everything's hot, they want to buy at the top, and then things go down, and then they call crypto a scam. Well, the thing is, you should have been a more wiser investor by, number one, watching this channel. You might actually learn something. But anyway, needless to say, this is where I believe that the crypto market is at. And I don't really dabble too much into the stock market because that's controlled by some big fish, and I think it's corrupted and manipulated and a lot of other things. And it's starting to trickle over into crypto. There's certain things that I believe that people are trying to manipulate. But the thing about crypto is no one individual owns it. And that's why I love it, because no one country owns it. No one central government owns it. No one particular person or entity owns crypto. And that's why I'm drawn so much to this space. And it's just like real estate, because, nobody has a total foothold on everything in the real estate market, which that's why I always have loved that space, because nobody has a monopoly on it. There may be people who own a lot of property, but they don't have a monopoly on it. And same is true in crypto. Now, there might be some big, VCs and, big financial institutions, et cetera, that buy a lot of Bitcoin, et cetera, and so forth. But at the end of the day, they just own a lot of Bitcoin. They don't actually control the crypto market, if you know what I mean. So, again, these are, like I said, just questions. And I try to answer honestly and to the best of my ability. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. Never risk no more than what you're willing to lose. And, it's my opinion. I mean, it could be wrong, but overall, I just got to go on past history of how things have went in other sectors as well as in crypto. Because you look, crypto exploded during COVID. Hello, we were in lockdown. A lot of other things. Crypto went off the chart during COVID. So what am I trying to tell you? That, not even a pandemic slowed down crypto. It actually accelerated it. So, and that's just a reference point. That's all I can give you. And at the end of the day, I hope this has been educational, informative. I appreciate all the questions. I appreciate everybody who likes, subscribes, and shares the videos. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to answer this real quick question, because it's one that I've been getting a lot of here recently, because, there's been a lot of people who want to panic sell and don't want to buy and scared and running into the corner and, everything else. There's no reason to be. Get educated on what's going on in the market, why the crypto market moves, what causes it to move. Does these things affect it? Yeah, it can in a short-term thing, which it has, but long-term, it's not going to affect it. It's really not going to affect the crypto market. Like I said, in other things, it's really only going to make it stronger because people are actually going to move their money there for a more safe haven. That's just how it is. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to shoot this real quick video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Good luck investing. Continue to get educated. Keep coming back to this channel, and we'll see you next time.